Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be doing another little stone from the Happy Dotting Company. This is the number 3. It's the smallest one that they have. And I used this little template that I got with the number 1 stone, and I drew circles around. Now, if you don't have this, you could just use a compass and do that same thing. Now, before I started, I painted this stone in that Lamp Ebony Black by DecoArt. The other day I made one with a lot of negative space in it, and I think I want to try and do that again. I don't usually leave negative space, but I really liked the way that one looked, so I'm going to go for that again a little bit. I'm going to use the number 18 in this ocean blue color and do my dot in the middle. Now, with this design, I think I'm going to fill in on my lines I drew and then see what I want to go in between so that I can leave some negative space kind of all around on this one. So for my next color, I've got this Indian turquoise, and I'm going to use the number 6. Make some dots right on this line. And I'm going to kind of space them out as I go so I end up with an even amount. Right now that's 2, 4, 6, 8. So it's going to be 16 because I'm going to do another one in between. Okay, and then for my next color, I'm going to use this Sweet Mint. Now for this, I'm just going to put dots close together. I'm going to use the number 6 again. I'm going to go back to that ocean blue color. And I'm going to use a bigger dot. Let's go with a number 11. I'm going to do another row. And I'm going to use this warm white color, 5, and do a dot in between each one of those underneath that. Okay, and then I think I'm going to carry that minty color underneath one more row. And so I'm going to go with this number 7. Now I'm going to go to the number 2, and using the warm white, I'm going to walk a border around that dark blue outer ring here. I'm going to start by just making a dot in the center of each one of these, and then I'm going to walk them down into the creases. Okay, now we're going to walk down, still using the number 2. Now I'm going to go in and do the same thing up here, I guess with the number 2 as well. But I think I'm going to just end up doing a dot in each crease and a dot on the top all the way around. Now for this one, I'm going to go in between those and do another dot. I'm thinking with the number 3. Indian turquoise color, which is the same color I used to dot them. Okay, I'm going to use the number 3 and go back in with ocean blue and do a few dots around that center dot. And then I'm going to come in with the number 3. Oh, that was number 3. I'm going to come in with the number 4 in white and do another row. And I think I'm going to top dot all of these in black and just see what it looks like. I don't know why, but I got the urge to do that. So let's go in. For these bigger ones, I'm going to use the number 3. Okay, the same with those minty ones. We use the number 5 on those blue ones. Okay, and I'm going to go all the way down to the number 2, I think, for those little green ones. And I'm going to go in with the number 11 and do a black dot in the center. And then I'm going to come in with the number 2 and dot on those white ones. And there we have it. I'm going to leave it like that. Something totally different than I normally do. I don't like to leave all that negative space. But I thought, what the heck, why not try? This is just a very, very simple pattern. So all you beginners out there, this should be very simple for you. I hope you all like it, and I'll talk to you all tomorrow. Bye.